Welcome back to Financial Terminology Journey. I'm Stephanie, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the word expense. So the definition of expense is the price required of something or the money spent on something. I'm going to repeat that again. The definition of expense is the price required of something or the money spent on something. So, for example, let's say you bought pens, paper, let's see what else, rulers, notepads. That's all considered an expense. And here's the reason why. Because you're going to consume all that up in less than a year. Anything less than a year is considered an expense because it holds no value in the following year. So your expenses, you're going to be using that stuff up so quick that it has no worth. And because it has no worth, that is why it's classified as an expense. And that's very important to remember. Because, for example, let's say you bought a computer, or you bought like a printer, or you bought software, like expensive software. That is considered an asset, a fixed asset that should be depreciated over time because it holds value in years to come. So that is not an expense, and I need you guys to understand that. But in a next video that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to break down what an asset is, what a fixed asset is, so you can understand the difference between a fixed asset and an expense. So an expense is a price required of something or the money spent on something. So you have supplies expense, you have rent expense, you have payroll and salary expense, office supplies expense, you even have health insurance expense, you have utility expense. It's just things that hold no value in a year to your business. So really think about those items, everything that you spend on, really think about it. The stuff that you're spending on, is it going to hold any value next year? If it is, you need to be thinking about, do I need to depreciate this item over time and list it as a fixed asset? Because that's going to help you in terms of your income statement and also your tax liability at the end of the year. Thank you for tuning in to my channel and watching this video about expenses. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you again. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you're notified when new material drops. Thank you again. Have a blessed day.